Definition of argumentative text. An argumentative text is a text that contains the author's opinion accompanied by reason and evidence supported by fact. This text is delivered logistically and aims to convince and influence the reader. To compose an argumentative text, the author needs to go through several steps such as reading books, conduction, research, and interview. This is done so that the text created can be critical and logical.
Structure generic argumentative text. The argumentative text consists of three parts, namely, first, introduction. The introduction explains the topic discussed by the author, delivered in a dance. Second, argument body. This section contains data or facts from research that have been neatly arranged so that they are easy for readers to understand. Third, conclusion. The conclusion section is written briefly and clearly and prioritizes logic and reasonable reasoning.
The purpose of argumentative text. The purpose of argumentative text is to convince readers about an opinion or position of the author. The argumentative text aims to reveal the author's view, influence the reader's behavior, attract the reader's attention, and prove the truth logistically. To achieve their goals, argumentative text writers need to make high efforts, such as research or studies, literature reviews, interviews, and going directly into the file.
If you know, the behavior of today's teenagers has deviated far from the moral values that apply in society. This is due to several factors, such as the lack of filtering of Western culture that has entered Indonesia. The cultures that have entered are considered examples of good life and have become a new habit by today's teenagers. What is unfortunate is that the behavior that is imitated is the bad behavior of Western culture, for example, free sex, drugs, and so on. The second factor is the lack of knowledge, of religious knowledge by teenagers. In fact, religious knowledge is very important and useful because it can control oneself to avoid a despicable act.
The last is the lack of supervision from parents. Parents are very responsible for the behavior and relationship of their children. Parents who are less concerned with their children can cause them to feel unloved, so that they seek that love outside family, which tends to lead to negative and of course faults, such as drinking alcohol, nightclubs, drugs, and even free sex. As a result, the behavior of today's teenager does not reflect the noble culture and our nation with existing values and norms.
Language features. 1. Use conjunction. According to its function, conjunction can connect ideas or arguments in a text, so that the flow can be connected and easier for readers to follow. 2. Use emphatic statements. Emphasizing sentences are used to emphasize important point in an argument. The goal is to answer that the readers pay attention and remember the key point made. 3. Use evaluative language. If you want to evaluate an idea, argument, or evidence in a text, use evaluative language. For example, argue, claim, suggest, assert. 4. Use transition word. Transition words serve to connect paragraphs or sentences, so the readers can follow change in ideas or arguments easily.
5. Use persuasive language. In order for readers to be convinced and agree with the author arguments, you need to compose a persuasive writing style. 6. Use emotive words. Let's create an emotional impact on readers through emotive words. 7. Use simple present tense. Why should it be simple present tense? Because you need to convey facts or arguments that are happening in the present. This makes the text feel more relevant. Well, you must have known that the characteristic of the simple present tense is always using verb 1 or using the verb are, is, do, does. Thank you for watching.